spot.
It's cute.
Have you ever wanted a dash cam for your car? Yeah, me neither. Let's review one anyway. It's the Roav Dash Cam A1, right after this.
This is, you know you listening to Travis.
I'll be honest, I don't really understand the point of these things, dash cams, but I guess it's kind of like insurance. When you don't need it, you're kind of like, who cares? But when you do need it, you wish you had it. So in that case, I guess I'll check it out. Thanks to Anker for sending this over. Little do they know, I'm gonna get crazy with this thing. But let's unbox it first.
I wonder who was the first person to do an unboxing. I don't think it was unboxing therapy, but you never know. And then this, oh, that's cool.
This isn't actually one of their higher end dash cams. This is the A1, it's about 50 bucks. It's supposed to be 1080p, have a lot of great features. And that's great. To me, that's actually what I'm looking for. And that's what makes a really good dash cam, because I don't know that I want to spend a whole bunch of money on a dash cam anyway. I mean, I really just want it just in case I get into an accident or see some crazy shenanigans on the road. But 90% of the time, nothing's gonna happen. So I don't want to spend a whole bunch of money on something. So to me, my criteria for being the best dash cam of 2018 is to be inexpensive and, I don't know, work. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my car and see if it does those things.
Let's put it like right there. Just turn this thing right here. Ooh, that thing's tight, you can tell. Then we'll plug the other end. Now I don't like wires holding down like this, and I'm sure you can put it out of the way or whatever, but I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in here. Alright, so as we power up, I put a 32 gig card in here, which is kind of overkill, but I lost the 16 gig card that I just bought the other day, so that's cool.
Loop recording. I have mine set to 10 minutes. You can go all the way down to 1 minute. And what that does is it gives you smaller chunks of video.
Sensitivity, parking collision detection, sure. Wi-Fi for the app. Time setup, I've already done. Language, LCD auto off. Machine sound, don't want that. You can format the SD card, which I had to do. 60 hertz, because we're in America. And then hit that. Let's get some footage.
Besides the cable being long and being in the way, which is something I don't like, it comes out of the top. Like, that's a weird design decision, don't you think? Shouldn't it be coming out of the bottom? I feel like this should be down here. So what do I think of the Roav A1 Dash Cam? Well, you know, considering I really wasn't looking for a dash cam, this actually ended up being pretty useful. I mean, I almost hit a lady and I captured it. I saw a really cool car and I captured it. And you know, when I think back, I've actually seen a lot of car accidents, and maybe if I had this, I could have helped out. The image quality in the day is pretty good. You can make out license plates and stuff, which is actually one of the #1 reasons you would need one of these at a high quality. It looks good in the day. It's a little grainy at night, but you can see what's going on, and that's pretty important. And certainly you would be able to determine if an accident happened or whose fault it was. So, you know, I'm actually weirdly compelled to suggest this and say that it's playa certified. So for all my playas, if you're looking for a dash cam and you're willing to spend about 50 bucks, this is it. 50 bucks. Just don't get Starbucks for a week. So if this, whoops! So if this video helped you in any way with your purchasing decision, then give it a like, share it out, tell your friends, and actually leave me a comment below and let me know what you think of the A1. I hope to see you guys again real soon. Peace and love. Peace and love.